Sushant Singh Rajput's tragic demise at just 34 sent shockwaves across the country. And while the police continue their investigation, we now hear that the Home Minister Amit Shah has forwarded a letter from former Minister Pappu Yadav demanding a CBI inquiry to the necessary authorities. Mr. Yadav shared that he had received a letter from Amit Shah taking his request for a CBI inquiry forward and posted a picture of the Home Minister's letter with the caption, Amit Shah ji, if you want, a CBI inquiry can be initiated into Sushant's case in a minute. Do not avoid it. A letter was sent to the Union Home Minister seeking a CBI inquiry into the suspicious death of the film actor Sushant Singh Rajput, the pride of Bihar. He has forwarded the letter to the concerned ministry for action.
इस सेंसिटिव केस को बहुत ही प्रोफेशनल तरीके से हैंडल कर रही है और आप पुलिस में विश्वास रखिए जो सच है वो सबके सामने पुलिस लाएगी.
While the forensic reports and other post-mortem examinations have ruled out foul play and not found any medicines or suspicious substances in his body, a section of people continue to allege foul play and have been demanding a CBI inquiry into the case.
मैंने एक मुहिम शुरू की है जिसका नाम है Justice for Sushant Forum.
Earlier, Subramanian Swamy also had written a letter to the Prime Minister making a request for a CBI inquiry and alleged that powerful figures in Mumbai were trying to cover up the case.
राजपूत की वो भी ये संदेह दूर होना चाहिए, सदा नहीं होनी चाहिए संदेह. तो मैं ये समझता हूँ कि सबको तय हो जाना चाहिए, जांच होनी चाहिए और CBI की होनी चाहिए.
Public figures like Shekhar Suman, who held a press conference and made multiple allegations, are insisting that there seems to be something amiss in the way the actor's demise took place.
हम सबकी एक यही मांग है कि जो हुआ है और जो दिखाई दे रहा है, जो आंखों को दिखाई दे रहा है, उससे कहीं कुछ ज़्यादा प्रतीत होता है.
Many conspiracy theories have also been doing the rounds on social media apps that attempt to poke holes in the investigation.
सीबीआई जांच कितने देर तक आएंगे? तो जब तक सारे एविडेंस खत्म हो जाएंगे उसके बाद.
While the actor did not leave a note explaining the cause for his actions, it remains to be seen if the CBI will at all start an investigation into the matter of an actor's tragic demise.
थोड़ा प्यार से.
The hope ultimately is that his family will be allowed to live and grieve in peace and come to terms with their tremendous loss.